Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix your connection is not private, ERR's Cert common name invalid error in Google Chrome. So it's in ERR underscore cert underscore common underscore name invalid error in Google Chrome, or your connection is not private error. So if you encounter this kind of error statement, then let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome to open your Chrome browser. Maximize it. Now you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner to customize and control Google Chrome. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. So just simply click on that. Under privacy and security, you will find delete browsing data. So we are going to delete the history, cookies, cache, and more. Now you have basic and the advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, click the drop down arrow and choose all time. Then here you have to choose the default options, which is browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and the cached images and files. The same thing for the basic. Now you have to click on delete data. And after that, close your Chrome browser and just open it again. Now for the next method is we can change the DNS and use the Google's DNS, which is one of the greatest DNS. So type ncpa.cpl on the Windows search bar, and here you'll find ncpa.cpl control panel item, or you can also navigate through the control panel window. Click on control panel, network and internet, and the network connections, and here you'll find the network connections window. Now you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. All you have to do is make a right click, select properties. Now here in the properties window, you will find the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that and you have to click on properties. Here in the properties window, you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So as what I've said earlier, we're going to use the Google's DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK, and then click on close, and then close this window, and finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows and open the Chrome browser after restarting your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.